Hey y'all, so we're going to jump right in. The unit that I'll be rocking today is from Fancivivi. This is their HD lace box braid knotless unit, you guys. So yes, we're going to get into some things. We're going to get into it. This is just what it looks like. It is a 360 wig, so you can glue it around all the way around if you like. That's up to you, and it is super long. So I'm going to start by brushing my real hair back, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig cap. I am going to go ahead and spray my wig cap just so it matches my skin tone. And then I'm going to start working on the unit. So I started off by cutting off the lace, as you guys can see. And you just want to be careful because you don't want to cut into the wig. But that's just what I'm doing here. And it does have baby hairs all the way around. Went ahead and I took the combs out of the wig just so they won't be showing through the lace. So I'm just going to spray the inside of the lace with the lace tinting spray as well. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the unit, and I did have to cut the side tabs because it wasn't fitting around my ear. So that's just what I'm doing here. I'm just cutting along, not cutting into the braids though. Make sure you're not cutting into the braids. And I did the same thing on the other side as you guys see me here doing here, excuse me. And then I went in with some even spray, and I'm going to lay down the unit with the band that they provided. I'll go ahead and wipe off any excess spray, and then I'm going to start working on the baby hairs. Now they are optional. You can cut them off if you do not want to deal with them, but I did go ahead and cut them short, and you guys will see. And then I swooped them around, did my little magic on them. Like about this unit is they give you a lot of baby hairs to work with. I did cut some of them off, as you guys saw, but yeah, you just, you know, make them fit how you want them to fit, or you don't have to do them. It's up to you. I finished up with that. I was all done, and I just want to show you guys the unit from all angles. So this is it from the back. Super pretty, nice and full. It's long. This unit is not heavy, you guys. It feels really lightweight on my head. And this is just what it looks like up close with the parts. You guys see how neat everything is. It's super clean. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a couple of styles and show you guys it in the side part. And this is just what it looks like. It looks really pretty in the side part as well. I already know I gotta try it with half up, half down and see what it gives. And it actually looks really cute. And then y'all already know I gotta try it out with a bun. I gotta try all the styles to make sure that we can do all the different styles with the unit. And we can, and I love that. This unit is super versatile. So I decided to do another half up, half down style, but leave the two braids out in the front to have the bangs, and that turned out really cute as well. I'm literally just gonna say this, and I'm gonna only say this one time, but you need this unit. Like, you need this unit from Fancivivi. Do y'all see me? Do y'all see me with the knotless braids? Do y'all see your girl with the knotless braids? Like, look at this unit. You cannot tell me this unit is not doing what it needs to do. This unit is busting. Look at this unit. Why you don't got this unit? And why you not? You need to click off this video when this video is done. And you need to click that link in the description box below. And you need to order you one of these. To the girlies that do not like to sit and get your hair done, this is going to be for you. Because I'm definitely one of the girlies that do not want to do my own hair no more. I don't want to sit and let nobody do my hair, do no braids. I can just put this wig on and I got instant braids. Okay? Like, does it get any better? And think about all the money that you're going to save. Because you can reinstall this unit over and over and over and over again. You have braids whenever you want. Like, girl, act like you know. And look at the part. Excuse my wig cap. You can kind of see it, but I don't even care. Look at the wig parts. Like, look at the parts. These nice square parts. Like, what? These are like medium length. I mean, these are like medium width. And they are bomb. Especially for somebody that has a really sensitive scalp right now. Like, my scalp is super sensitive. So this is perfect for me because I've been wanting to get braids. And now I was able to get braids in literally only 10 minutes. Like, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. You don't even have to do the baby hair. Like, you can cut the baby hair off. But, like, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Like, and you can do multiple styles with this. It is a 360 unit, so you can put it up in a ponytail in the back. I didn't. I mean, you can put it in a ponytail because you could glue this all the way down. I didn't glue mine completely down because I'm not really a pro at that, so I got to stay in my lane and do what I can do. So that's what I did. But this can go up in a ponytail, you guys. You can do half up, half down like y'all see me do. You can't tell me that this unit is not popping 10. This is not that girl. This is her. Like, how convenient is it? And then it's braided all the way to the ends. It's really nice quality hair. The hair is super soft. It feels really nice. Like, this FANCIVIVI, the way I constructed this unit, this is one of the best braided units that I've ever had. And I've had some nice ones, but this is like the best one. It's super flat to my head. And y'all know what's crazy is I didn't even braid my hair down. And it's still giving flat, 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 flat. Like, get into it. Act like you know something. This is popping in the length. Look at the length. Like, they're super long. They come past my butt. Like, you cannot beat this. And this unit is really affordable. Like, this is an affordable unit. You're going to save so much money. Because I don't know how much I spend on braids, but braids be anywhere from $200 and up. And think about it. You could get this wig one time. It have braids multiple times. You can take it off. You can put it back on. You can do styles. Like, it is really, really cute. For my wig girlies, for my girlies that have locks, my girls that don't want to sit, this is going to be for you. I cannot stress this enough how convenient this is. Like, this is bomb. So I'm going to go ahead and rate the unit, and I'm giving it a 10 out of 10 every single time. It's bomb. Definitely going to be rocking this summer. It's going to be perfect for me because I know I'm getting locked soon. So whenever I want to pop out with some box braids, some knotless braids, I can pop out with them, and that's going to be dope. I love that for me. So make sure you guys check out FANCIVIVI. Everything about them will be in the description box below. This unit, this beautiful unit, will be linked in the description box below. Get you one. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.